Welcome to Template Shop's powerful product pricing Google Sheet tutorial. Today, we will guide you through optimizing your pricing strategy for small businesses. From inputting costs to calculating profits, this tool is designed to make informed pricing decisions a breeze. So, let's get started. First, you need to do the setup, and in the inventory sheet here, you will need to tell the sheet the different materials that you use in your business for you start to listing your the SKU if any. If not, just type any random serial here, the material name. So here in the materials I will just type the high quality milk keyword, as I we are assuming that this is a yogurt factory. And the vendor here, you type the name of the vendor and the quantity in your inventory, the overall cost for the whole quantity, and the sheet will calculate the price per unit and the measurement unit for every material that you have listed. This is it is as simple as that. Next, you go to the pricing calculator. So first of all, you need to tell the sheet the percentage that you pay as taxes, and then you move down here to tell the sheet more information. So your goal here is that you want to do pricing pricing. You want the sheet to tell you the reasonable pricing, or the pricing for your product, considering the whole cost that you have paid. And in order to do this pricing, you can do one of the three things. First thing, that you tell the sheet your profit margin. So first of all, you need, let's wrap it up. First of all, you need to tell the sheet your cost, and then after you tell the sheet your cost, you need to tell the sheet how much do you can tell the sheet. You can do the pricing in three different ways. The first one is to tell the sheet what is the margin, the profit margin that you need to add. So here I typed 20%. Second, you can tell the number of sales, the number of the planned sales price for the whole production. So for example, here I told the sheet that I want to do sales with like $21,000. And the last approach here is to tell the sheet the value of profit that you want to gain after doing a certain amount of production of your product. So I'm going to go through explaining more, and then this what I've just said, it will make sense to you right now. So first thing that you need to do is to tell the manufacturing monthly cost. So here I'm going to tell the sheet here. For example, I'm going to assume, or I'm going to put the production of 100 or 1000 box of yogurt. So in order to do this, I'm going to need materials of high quality yogurt starter culture, the flavors, the sweeter, the stabilizer, and thickener. And these are the quantity that is needed for the 1000 packs that I'm going to that I want to price here. And then I need to tell the so here it's at 8,000 packs, sorry, or 8,000 plastic cups. So here I'm going to tell the sheet the plastic cups that I need and the cup covers. So I listed 8,000 and 8,000, and these are the quantity that is required to manufacture those 8,000 cups. Then I will need to tell the sheet the labor monthly cost here. So this is the labor. It's anything that is a labor here that it costs me labor or salaries here. There is the sales. They are going to work for 160 hours per month, and this is the hourly cost, and this is the total cost for my sales team, the inventory keeper, the machine boys, the packagers, the accountants, the managers, and this is their monthly salary. And here is any other expenses. And I have here I listed the supplies and the customer delivery. So I standardized two things here. First, the count, and secondly, the duration. So these all are the cost of producing 8,000 cups in 1 month. So this is the volume of production in 1 month, and this is the volume of cost in 1 month. So now the sheet is going to automatically calculate here the materials cost, the packaging cost, the labor cost, the shipping cost, and the total base cost is 15,850 per month in order to produce 8,000 cups of yogurt. Okay, so then this is your cost. Then I tell the sheet that I want to add a 20% profit over my co-production cost here. So it's going to, the sheet is going to go calculate the profit margin here is 3,170, and so the sales taxes here is going to be 1,000. So the price with the markup is 20,000, and the price with discount, because I didn't add any discounts here, I can add discounts in percentages here and it's going to be considered. And the markup with the markup, prices with the discount, and the profit with discount here is 4,171, and the final price including the tax is going to be 20,021 USDs here. So the profit is 4,171 and the final sales price would be 20,021 for producing the to sell. This is the sale price, is that's going to give you 20% over my over my cost here to sell the 8,000 cups. Okay, there's the pricing by listed sales price. So here I told the sheet that I want to buy to sell by 21,000. The sheet only is going to do the spread here for the taxes, the discount, and so whatever, and then it will tell me that you need to do the pricing is 21,000. And here is the pricing by profit. I tell the sheet that I want the 2,000 profit here, and then the sheet is going to tell me that you need to sell the 8,000 cups at a price of 17,850. Okay, if I assumed here, if I standardize the cost here, I want to just price 1 cup of yogurt here. I just here type the materials that I need to use to produce 1 cup of yogurt, and the packaging monthly cost for 1 cup of yogurt, and the labor cost for 1 cup of yogurt, which will be pretty hard for you to calculate. So my recommendation here is to make it by month, to make it easier for you to input all the variables here. So next, the inventory here is your inventory for the product. After you manufacture your product, you're going to do different products here. You see the quantity, you list here the quantity available that you have did the manufacture. So here, after you do the pricing, you're going to list your inventory here. So this is separate from the pricing calculator here. So you're going to list your inventory here in terms of product, the cost calculation variables, the total base cost. You're going to extract that from the pricing calculator for every product here, and the markup, which is 5% here in this example, and the sales tax, the discount if any, and then the sheet is going to tell you the net sales price per unit, the profit margin, the final sales price per unit, and here if you list here the price of 1 unit that is sold by the price per unit of your competitors, the sheet is going to tell you your price versus the competition or versus the competitors here, whether you sell it more expensive or more cheaper for every product that you list in your inventory sheet here. Okay, finally the break even here. So this table, you are going to type the overhead cost. So this is not salaries here, like the rent, the maintenance, the utilities. You're going to put it, you're going to list them here, and the sheet is going to automatically calculate the overhead cost here. And here you're going to list your products and your target of sales. And so this tab is going to tell you the amount of sales that you need to do in this table here. This is the amount of units that you need to do in order to reach your break-even point. So when you sell approximately 1100 308 units of this product, you're going to break even. And this is the time that you need to in order to reach your break even point. So either to sell your break even point given you achieve your targets. So if you keep achieving your targets that you set here, you're going to achieve the break even point after 8 months, and you're going to reach the break even point if you sell 1100 and 308 units of your product. And you'll find here a product breakdown chart to give you insight of what's happening in your scenario here. Okay, easy. So, as we wrap up, remember that Template Shop is here to empower your business decisions. Our Google Sheet simplifies pricing complexities, giving you the tools to navigate the competitive market. Visit templateshop.com for additional resources. Thanks for joining us on this pricing journey and enjoy this sheet.